Angalia ni huko kwenye feri. Yes.
Hey guys, so okay, that looks better. I'm staying at Faulty Towers here in Livingstone, Zambia, and here's a view of Nairobi from wherever I'm staying. There's my bike. Oh, I sadly can't zoom, but I'm staying in an 8-bed dormitory. This is a dormitory with 8 beds. If you can see, this is sort of like a traditional kind of a locker where you can get to put your stuff and put a padlock. So that's my bed right there. They're all bunk beds, 4 bunk beds, 8 beds in total, and well, I get to hang my stuff there. So right now it's around 3 p.m. and I'm going for a swim. Let me show you around. So here is an open lounge for guys to sit, talk, chat, whatever. Relaxing area. So this place is really cool. All those are the different rooms. So this is how it looks. Okay, and another relaxing lounge right here. And this is the ladies' washrooms. Look at that. And then we have the gents' washrooms and bathrooms. And we are going downstairs. So here's another lounge, different room. Look at the garden out there. It's a beautiful garden. And then there's a swimming pool right there, just next to the bar. That's where I'm headed to. It's kind of steep staircase. And then this is the second one. Here's another one. So if I can show you, there are several rooms around. Those are different rooms. Oh, there are rooms extending all that way. And here is a kitchen. This is a shared kitchen. So guys get to bring their stuff. You buy from the supermarket or the market, and you can store your food in any of these fridges, and then later on you can cook whatever is left. You can cook the following day. So now, so this is a communal kitchen, and that tells you the place is packed with so many people because there's a lot of food. So here is a sink. Okay, never trust a skinny cook. There's a lovely garden out there. But I'm gonna get to this pool. It's an amazing swim here in Livingstone. Oh. Livingstone. Mohon hizo bike huko. Hi guys, I have just crossed the Victoria Falls border, the Zambian side. So now I have met these amazing guys. These two Kenyan guys, and the other one is Turkish. We have met at Livingstone in Zambia, and we decided to drive together. So I am driving in their car. We have come all the way to the Zambian border, and we've just crossed. We've been allowed to cross and come to the other side. I think it's I don't think it's the Zimbabwean side. It's actually where the Victoria Falls Bridge is, and we are going to take a tour around. We're going to take a tour around the Victoria Falls Bridge and have a view of the Victoria Falls. So yeah, please do come with us and enjoy the amazing views.
Angalia, ni huko kwenye feri. Yes. I tried it once. In Germany. I cannot do it. The zip line is okay. I will take about time.
So something amazing about this Victoria Falls Bridge is that there is a railway line, and I have just learned that this railway line, it goes all the way to South Africa. It goes all the way to South Africa, passing through the Victoria Falls Bridge, and then goes all the way to Tanzania, the railway line there, all the way to Tanzania and Egypt. Wow. Yeah, so that is Cape to Cairo. So something else is that this bridge only allows one car, or rather one vehicle at a time, to pass, because it is a little bit narrow on the side for vehicles to pass. So when a vehicle is coming from the Zimbabwean side, they have to wait. Maybe if there is another vehicle coming from Zambia side, like as you can see right now, the vehicle there has been stopped because there is another vehicle that is coming from that side, so they have to wait for it. And that's the falls. This is so nice. I need to take this. Okay, it's the Victoria Falls Bridge. Hey guys, so this is my day 2 here in Livingstone, Zambia. And I've just come from the Victoria Falls. It was really amazing. We had a great time. I met up with these Kenyan guys, 2 guys from Kenya, and 2 other guys from Turkey. Yes. And we went to the falls together, all of us, and it was really amazing. So now I just got back, and one of the guys, when he was checking out my bike, he noticed that there is a leakage on the bike. There's a fuel leakage, and I just saw it, So that's what I want to show you guys. So now there is a problem. So we noticed that there is a fuel leakage that was coming out from somewhere. I don't know if I can show you. It was coming out from somewhere. There's a very tiny hole somewhere there. I think it stopped. I don't know why, but if you can see, this place looks wet. Part of the bike, you see this? It shows you that was petrol that was leaking from the bike, and I don't know why that happened, but I called my KTM dealer back in Nairobi, Kenya. I took a short video to show them what was going on, and they advised me to do something just to check and be sure if okay, I'm dropping almost everything, just to check and be sure if whatever they suspect could be the issue. So now I opened this part of the bike, and it's still open. I haven't put it back intact. Oh, I'm dropping everything. So I opened the part for the air filter, and this air filter is like 1 week old on the bike, and they think that it could be worn out. Look at how it looks. Oh, looks a bit terrible. The other air filter that I had, it stayed there for a much longer time, and so I was told maybe maybe I was riding on a road that had so much dust the past couple of days, or that there is a possibility that I was riding full throttle. Well, about that is very true. Ever since I got to Zambia, I think there is no country I have ridden so fast as I have ridden here in Zambia, because the roads in Zambia, they allow you up to a speed of 100, and in most cases I was riding beyond that, up to 120. I never got up to 134 before, but here in Zambia I rode up to 134 because they are highways, and they allow up to 100, I think 100 plus, and some of the roads there are no vehicles at all, so you can really ride that fast. And they think that maybe because I've been riding that my KTM dealer thinks that maybe because I've been riding full throttle, it could have just quickly damaged this air filter. So it looks sort of pathetic in some way, and I'm gonna have to replace that. The leakage has stopped right now, it's not leaking. So I don't know if I can survive with this air filter for how much longer, because already it looks terrible and I don't have a spare one. So I only had one spare, and I removed, or rather changed it, when I was in Tanzania, specifically at Sumbawanga. That's about a week ago. And yeah, I thought now, because I had ridden with the other air filter for a much longer duration, I thought whatever I'm gonna change to will take me all the way to Cape Town, and apparently my riding full throttle could have damaged it way beforehand. So now I have to look for a new one here in Livingstone. I don't know if I will find. The plan was to leave tomorrow morning for Zimbabwe, cross the Victoria Falls border, the Zimbabwean side, then cross over to the Zambian side, then cross over to the Zimbabwe, and head all the way to Bulawayo. I think in 2 days time be at Bulawayo, and I am thinking that I might need to start looking for this air filter while I'm right here in Zambia, because I'm told things are not very good in Zimbabwe with the economy and all, and availability of stuff. I don't know about that, but maybe I have to try my luck here in Livingstone, Zambia, and if I'm lucky, or if I'm not, then I will have to proceed all the way to Zimbabwe. But now I'll have to maintain a moderate speed if I have to keep going with this. until when I can find an air filter. Okay, so that's that. I wanted to show you that, tell you about it. But other than that, Livingstone has been amazing. I had a great time at the Victoria Falls. We saw guys doing bungee jumping, jumping up to I think up to 120 meters down the bridge. It seemed really fun, adrenaline rush, and I don't know if I'm ready to do that. Although it's also expensive, about 168 US dollars. So yeah, that is something which is not in your budget at all. So I guess I'm gonna just start looking for the air filter. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, bye for now.